Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finance tips and strategies. In this video, I will be sharing 5 high-paying remote jobs you can do using just your phone. Today, I want to show you some of the most flexible phone-based remote jobs available right now. No laptop needed, no Zoom interviews, and no prior experience required. Whether you're traveling, relaxing at home, or simply don't have access to a computer, these mobile-friendly jobs let you earn income on the go. And the best part, one of these gigs can pay up to $250 per appointment, all from your phone. So stick with me because the last job on this list is so simple you'll wonder why more people aren't doing it. And to keep things interactive, hit the like button if you're ready to make a change. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical job ideas like these. And before I go any further, I would like to ask you guys, if any advertisement should interrupt this video, please allow them to play through. Don't click off from the advertisements, because this is how I am compensated for my effort in bringing you this valuable information. So let's get started. Number 1 on the list, get paid to translate anywhere, anytime with the Steps app. If you're fluent in more than one language, this opportunity is practically handing you money. Steps is a mobile app that connects bilingual speakers with translation and interpretation gigs, all from your phone. You don't need to be a certified translator. In fact, many tasks are simple. Translating short text messages, captions, documents, or participating in live interpretation sessions if you're comfortable with that. What makes it great? 100% mobile, work from home, anywhere. So you could be doing this on the go. Maybe you're riding in the bus or in the train, or you're sitting at the beach, or you're in the park, and you could be making money all from your phone, just translating different languages. Get paid per word or per session. Work on your own schedule whenever it's convenient for you. No meetings, no laptop, no hustle. Earnings potential, common languages, 10 cents per word. Rare or in-demand languages, up to 30 cents per word. Translating just one 1,000 word document could earn you $100 to $300. So the question is, how many 1,000 word documents could you complete? That's where the money is. So how to get started? Download the Steps app from your app store, create an account, and take a quick language proficiency test. Set your availability and preferred task types. Start accepting paid translation work right from your phone. Number 2 on the list, be a virtual handyman with Service Glee. No tools, just your know-how. And this is a great hustle right here. Are you a person everyone in your family calls when something breaks? If you know your way around basic home repairs, you can turn that skill into a remote side hustle. Service Glee connects homeowners with virtual handymen or handy women. So if you're a male or a female, this is for you. You guide them through minor repairs via video chat. You guide them through minor repairs via video or chat. No physical labor is required. Now, what you'll do is walk users through do-it-yourself fixes like leaky faucets, squeaky doors, etc. Help troubleshoot tools or materials, offer repairs advice in real time. So you could be on your phone via video call or regular call or even messages, and you can walk somebody through how to change a light bulb or how to put up a fan or just to troubleshoot, stuff like that. All on your phone. Why it works? No traveling required. Use your phone to assist people live. Get paid for your expertise. Typical pay around $25 to $30 an hour, which is not bad. Quick 20 to 30 minute sessions can net you $15 to $50 or more. Now, how to get started? Sign up on ServiceGlee or similar platforms, verify your skills, and complete a registration. Set your availability and start taking calls. It's that simple. Go to ServiceGlee or similar platforms that do this, verify your skills, complete a registration online, set your availability, and start taking calls and start getting paid. If you love fixing things but prefer to stay off-site, this role is perfect. Number 3 on the list, field agent. Earn while running errands. If you already find yourself running errands, shopping, or exploring your city, field agent makes it incredibly easy to earn extra income while doing what you're already doing. This app pays you to complete small tasks like checking prices, taking photos of displays, or answering short surveys. Think of it as mystery shopping with more flexibility and better pay. Common tasks include verifying prices at local stores, photographing product displays, testing products, and writing short reviews, answering brief customer experience surveys. No experience or laptop needed, just your phone. Pay range: task pay $2 to $12 each, depending on complexity. Do 5 tasks, that's an easy $10 to $60 a day on the side. Not bad for a side hustle. Now, how to get started? You download the Field Agent app, set up your account, and enable location settings. You browse local tasks and claim the ones that you like. Submit your results and get paid via PayPal or direct deposit. This is a great option if you love staying active and want to turn errands into income. Number 4 on the list, Tolocar. Earn with quick micro tasks on your phone. If you prefer quick, no pressure tasks you can do during downtime while sipping coffee or waiting in line or taking a break, Tolocar is a hidden gem worth exploring. Powered by Yandex, Tolocar offers simple micro tasks such as labeling images, verifying website information, transcribing short audio clips, categorizing products or content. These jobs may be small, but they are fast and add up quickly over time. Earnings potential: each task pay between a penny to 20 cents. Average users earn $5 to $10 per hour with consistency. Why it's great? Mobile optimized, no scheduling, no commitment, great for multitaskers or people with limited time. How to start? Download the Tolocar app, set up your profile and complete onboarding. Choose your tasks and complete them anytime, anywhere. This is perfect for earning in small bursts through your day. Number 5 on the list is become a chat moderator with Social Element. If you're already spending time on social media and you naturally spot rude or inappropriate comments, this role might be a perfect fit for you. The Social Element hires mobile chat moderators to monitor online communities, keep them respectful, and engage with users. You work behind the scenes to make sure online spaces stay positive and safe. What you'll do: moderate and respond to comments, delete spam or harmful content, ensure users follow community guidelines, help foster healthy online discussion, all from your phone. No video calls, no sales, and no FaceTime. Pay range $12 to $20 per hour. Not bad, depending on the community and your experience. Some roles are hourly, others are task-based. How to apply? Visit the Social Elements career page, search for chat moderator or community manager roles, highlight any prior experience with social media or content moderation, pass a short communication focus skills test. If you care about creating a better internet and enjoy being calm in the chaos, this is your lane. Now let's recap. You now have 5 powerful mobile-based remote jobs that you can start from anywhere using just your phone. Number 1, translate on the go with Steps. Number 2, help fix homes virtually with Service Glee. Number 3, get paid to run errands with Field Agents. Number 4, complete simple micro tasks with Toloka. Number 5, moderate communities with Social Element. These aren't gimmicks, guys. These are legit opportunities that give you flexible freedom and the ability to earn real money without needing a laptop or traditional office. So now it's your turn. Which one fits your lifestyle the best? Have you tried any of them already? If you have, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if this guide sparked any ideas or gave you hope, hit the like button to share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more legit remote job tips. Hit that subscribe button to subscribe to our video, as we're gonna be doing more videos like this. And if you have a comment you would like to add, something that might help the viewers, please do so by commenting in the comment section, and be on the lookout for our next video. But until then, please stay safe and may God bless all your efforts.